Hi, my lovelies. Long time no tutorials. All right, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to style your waves. Hear me, wear your waves. So this is our candy waves. First of all, you have to apply your serum on your hand. This is argan oil. Then, after applying, you comb out. Use your take comb to comb out the hairs. This is actually a sewing. I did a sewing, so I always like bringing out my hair on my waves whenever I relax my hair. So this is just me. Then you have to use your big comb to actually detangle. Make sure you comb smoothly before you start using your bending rollers. So I'm just trying to open the pattern out. Just have to. It was actually a tough one here for me because I'm usually not used to long nails. But yeah, I had to do the long nails because I had a shoot. So this is just me trying to open the pattern, making it visible. After that, you come out and you start using your bendy roller. So this is me trying to use my bendy rollers. Yeah, this part whereby when you are rolling your hair with your bendy roller, just make sure the hair is facing your direction. You are coiling towards your face, like the bendy rollers have to be facing you in the opposite direction, in the sense that the hair should be facing your face when coiling, so that the coils won't go off. The coils will relax down. When you are coiling and the rollers is facing up, it will come out well. This is the other part. So what I'm saying is that you can see the way it's facing towards my direction. So you bend it and you fold and coil. So this is the last part of it. Then afterwards, when you're done rolling, you just leave a couple of days. The longer you leave it, the more the coils or the waves will be. Then after you finish, it all depending on how you also losing the coils, that will determine how your waves will come out. So this is just me removing the waves. This is after 3 days. Removing the rollers, not wave, removing the rollers from the hair. You can see the way I'm twisting the rollers from my waves. If you do it like this, the coils will be stronger, and when splitting it, it will scatter the coils. So this is it. This is the process whereby you tie after you remove the rollers. See the way the hair is kind of rough, but you have to still comb out, smoothing the front, make it relax. I'll be doing that off the camera so that the video won't be too lengthy. I try to reduce it. So this is me still applying a serum on it. This was actually on Easter Sunday I did this, so I just had to apply a serum. I combed out a little bit. I didn't show that part, but I just combed out. But I didn't touch the front so much because I actually wanted the front to be really coily. So yeah, are you going to be trying this? This is just my look, and you can see the way I'm just trying to smoothen the front. You just have to pop out anything that will make me look good. I'm in for it. I always like looking good, and I hope you're going to try this. So this is it. Wow. Are you wowed? Let me know if you're going to try this in the comment section, and remember to tag us when you do. This is it, and see you in our next channel. Happy Easter Sunday. Bye.